This video is only for entertainment purposes. All clips used in this video are not owned by us. If you want to check the original clips, then click on the links below in the description and support them.
Lock file.
I don't know if their coffee's good, but their food's pretty good. Me and my mom sat down when ours opened up. Like, hey, Mom, let's go try it. Like, let's go sit down and eat. We had the chicken fingers and macaroni and cheese. That was good.
Holy shit, that guy just...
Oh my god! Oh,
he was going too fast.
Oh my god!
We got video footage.
Yeah, pull over.
It's the right thing to do.
Pull over.
Call 911.
Do you have your phone?
was that? What the hell was that? Like, he could have pulled out the other exit of that gas station and had a light. What in the holy fuck? That just totally fucking pisses me off. What a freaking idiot.
So you go in there and you have all these John Grisham posters all over the place. The whole team comes out, sits down, talks to you. It was like amazing. She was so awesome. And the other one, younger, hadn't really Tom Clancy or Grisham type person yet. Bigger agency, that also ICM. It's out here in Hollywood as well. And it was such a tough decision. It was like a final rose ceremony. I haven't broken up with someone in 20 years, but I felt like I was breaking up with someone because I was so invested in both of these agents. I just